Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the screen size on your MSI G242L. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the monitor settings. So go and click on the red button that is behind the monitor. Now here we need to go over to the image, and right at the bottom we will have the screen size. So here you can change it to, let's say, 4x3. Now as you guys can see, we will have the black bars, and this is basically due to our settings not being proper. If we want the stretched one, then we can change it in the settings of either Windows or our graphics card. And here we have 16:9, which is the one by default. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.